Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought, I haven't given birth yet, so I'm just gonna keep on filming. We're still going until she gets here because, it's killing time. I'm just trying to keep myself busy at this point, and I thought it might be fun to share some of the last minute baby prep that I'm doing to get ready for her arrival, which should be any day now. So the time of filming, I'm 38 weeks, 5 days pregnant. By the time you are watching, I will be over 39 weeks. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna have a fun little guessing game. Put down in the comments the day and time you think I'm going to give birth, and whoever is the closest is gonna win a prize. I don't know what prize, maybe an Amazon gift card, something easy. I just thought that would be fun if any of you guys out there have the intuition. Okay, so here is what is on the agenda. First thing, I'm gonna pack my hospital bag. All right, yes, I'm still here in my pajamas because this is how I live my life, okay? I can't wear pants or shorts. All right, so I thought I would show you just some of the highlights that are going in my hospital bag. You know me, I'm gonna go through this quick and then I will have the full list in the description box just because I don't wanna be here all day. I'm just gonna show you the fun stuff like these adult diapers. This is what I learned, okay? After you give birth, they're gonna give you these big mesh underwear and super large uncomfortable pads that don't stay on very well. These are not only sexy, but they fit better. And they kind of smell like a rose garden. In addition to that, just in case, I bought these high-waisted postpartum underwear in black. Black is key, trust me on that. And some of my own pads because I just wasn't happy with the selection last time. The biggest takeaway from my last experience is that pretty much the hospital is gonna have almost anything you could ever want or need. So you don't really have to stress and feel like you need every single possible thing in the world. My friend Allison got me these Barefoot Dreams socks, and you guys, they live up to the hype. Very excited about that. I picked these up from Amazon. Oh my gosh. They are these high-waisted joggers, and they still have the band for the belly because look, when you're leaving the hospital, I'm still gonna look like I'm about 6 to 7 months pregnant, so I still need to accommodate the belly. All right, so this is a little TMI, but needs to be said. Stool softener. Just get it. Along with that, we had nipple butter. I have the mini nail clippers because sometimes when newborns are born, they have these little claws, and I'm not into the mittens. Like, I kind of want her hands to be free. Nipple shields. I did struggle a lot with breastfeeding in the beginning with Carter, so I have to be prepared. I did have to use a nipple shield for about 2 to 3 months with him. So we have these on deck. Nothing else too exciting for me. I just have a robe, PJs, going home outfit. Oh wait, I didn't even show you guys the bag I picked out. This is by Baze, which is Shane Mitchell's company. It's the Weekender tote. When you open it like this, it stays open so you can really see what's inside. And it has this bottom compartment, which is great for shoes, or I might put all of my toiletries on the bottom and then clothing and things like that on top. So now all of the stuff for her, I'm gonna put in this little separate pouch just to keep it subdivided. And I don't really need a lot. I got this little custom hat made for her from Etsy, and I wish you guys could see the scale of how tiny this is. Oh my gosh, and it has a little jewel and heart on it. I have a little muslin blanket to wrap her in because the hospital blankets they have are a little bit scratchy. So this is a softer organic fabric. Listen up, moms, this is what I've learned. For me at least, zipper is the way to go. So this is called the Woombi. Nice and snug, has a little rose pattern on it for her coming home outfit. Most likely I'm gonna put her in this, which is this kite baby zippered onesie, because the fabric on this, so soft, so cozy, nice pretty blush pink color. Oh my gosh, I don't even know if I told you guys. Ryan gets, wait for it, 8 weeks of fully paid paternity leave, which is just unheard of in the United States. When Carter was born, he only had 3 days. Last time I was in the hospital for 4 nights and 5 days because I had complications. This time, I'm hoping to be in and out within 24 hours. So that's why I'm not bringing a lot. I can't do it. It's too cringy. It's too cringy. I just attempted to film the baby mama dance and I just can't do it. Here's the 38-week, 5-day bump. I'm a little nervous because I feel like I'm bigger than I was with Carter, which might mean she's bigger, and he was almost 8 pounds.
Camera, I'm going to tell you a joke. Once upon a time, Carter was trapped on the light. Yeah, I said Carter was stuck on the light.
Oh, that's funny. Look who's here.
Who is it?
Who is it? Is it Carter Gray?
Yeah.
Are you excited to be big brother?
Yeah.
Are you gonna get jealous if mommy has to give the baby a lot of attention?
Yeah.
Okay, what kind of stuff are you gonna do for Sissy when she comes?
Play and show pictures.
You guys, Ryan and I, we're in a big fight because I think he might have thrown away my croissant. Croissants are my favorite food. I bake some fresh. Now, they are nowhere to be found. How could he do that? You don't throw away a pregnant lady's croissant. All right, so here's the disaster nightmare situation. Number one that we're gonna deal with. The clutter that's accumulated on the bed. Other big project is the changing table. A lot of you asked in her nursery reveal where she was gonna be changed. It's gonna be in the master bedroom for the first 6 months because this is where she actually sleeps until she's about 6 to 7 months old. So I figured it's easier to have all of her stuff and her changing area in here. So let me show you a couple things, okay? This is something that I wish I knew about with Carter sooner. I didn't find out about it till it was a little bit too late, but it's the baby katan. So you get the benefit of a wrap, but you don't have to mess and spend the time tying it because I could not figure out how to tie those baby wraps. It's hard to explain, but you kind of just put it on like a t-shirt. You don't have to manually tie it. There's a new pattern. Oh my gosh, look how freaking cute this neutral snakeskin print. So I'm very excited about this because baby wearing will save you if you have a newborn. It's the only way I could survive. And then I decided to go with the Pampers Pure diapers. Also, I had a thread up order just come in because absolutely nothing fits me. And I wasn't trying to buy anything else, but it's so bad. And also some postpartum items, just easy, and you can get stuff really cheap from thread up. Is this my best job doing the bed? No, it looks kind of bad, but whatever. Now we're gonna move on to this disaster, the changing area. My plan is we're gonna subdivide things into these bins. Okay, so here is how I have everything sorted. I will just show you quickly. We have extra wipes. This is going to be all breastfeeding supplies, which I clearly need to stock up here. This is my postpartum basket. So, you know, different sprays, adult diapers, all that fun stuff. This is going to be all different, you know, medicines and things, extra diapers, and then these are going to be all of the swaddles. Okay, so here's this all organized and looking good. I need to get a changing pad cover on here, and I need some more supplies, but the basic system is in place. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
I am.
I am who?
You don't know who you are? Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Kanga.
Kangaroo.
No, it's kangaroo, not kangahoo. Hello guys, so today is a very exciting day. I have my newborn photographer who is here and she's taking a couple maternity photos of me. So this is Olia.
Hello.
Are they live? Not live. But I found Olia. I'm gonna put her link down below, but she takes the best newborn photos. Like, I looked at hundreds of people. We're taking a couple pictures of me today because, you know, why not? I'm days from giving birth. I feel huge, but you know, we'll make it cute. All right, so we're taking a couple pictures. This is behind the scenes. I have my prop. Okay, now we're doing a little setup by the pool. Okay, so we finished the photo shoot. I am so crazy exhausted today, like next level, can't function. Okay, now we're gonna go test this out. Instead of getting a new stroller, I got these attachment pieces so we can attach her car seat onto our existing stroller, which is the Vista Cruise. I got the adapters on and it appears that this works. So we have our Vista Cruise stroller, which I want to keep and continue to use because I'm obsessed with this stroller. It glides, it's light, it's easy to use. So I want to get as much use out of it as possible. So another thing I have going on to help me out with newborn life is I have these meals coming, which actually I've had for a while because we didn't have a kitchen for 2 months. So this is a company in San Diego. They're called dinnerdelivery.net. I buy these myself, not sponsored, but if you are in San Diego, they're the best and the owner is the nicest guy ever. But what I love is you get to choose your own side dishes. The portions are big. Hello guys, today we have an I Dream of Jeannie moment happening with this ponytail. I also thought, what if I wore this when I'm giving birth? Because I want my hair out of my face, but I also want to look somewhat nice for pictures and video potentially. Carter's a little chef. I got him these Toddler knives.
Oh.
You know, they're not actually very sharp, but they're sharp enough that they could cut fruit. What's your last minute prep for baby?
I'm going to practice my diaper changing skills.
What's diaper changing sound?
That's when you have to change all the little diapers from the baby when he goes pee-pee and poo-poo.
Oh, and I don't know if I've shared this. The reason this is all demoed out is because we have a wine fridge going down there. At some point, you know, whenever things happen. As of today, baby girl has moved all the way down. I don't know if you can tell how low she is, but I literally feel her head like down here in my pelvis. So she's trying to get out. She wants to get out soon. So I got this new rug for the family room. It's one of those ruggable ones, so it's washable. I really liked it. I thought it was cute, but I did a poll on my Instagram stories and 25% of people did not like it. I like it. I think it goes well because I want this room to be a blue theme. I'll probably get different artwork here, something a little nicer. I ordered new curtains because these are too short. And right now we have the coffee table just moved aside because I want this to be a play space. And I'll probably have her doing tummy time down here. But I don't know, I like the rug. I do, I think it's cute.
Look what I found. A new trailer!
A new one!
So this one right there is a Tesla trailer right there. And that one is just a regular trailer. So this one says Tesla trailer. And this one says regular trailer.
I'm not sure, Carter, if you have enough cars. Okay, I wanted to show you guys this as I'm setting it up because it's a pretty cool little bedding invention I just discovered. It's called Beddies. So it is a sheet, top sheet blanket in one, and it all zips on. So it's really easy to make the bed. So you could zip it up, zip it down, and you have your blanket and your sheet already on here. And it's really soft. Then when you have to make the bed, you just go like this. You know, I thought it seemed cool. And you already know that I'm a huge fan of the zipper sheets. So this is kind of taking it up a notch. So I'll keep you guys posted, but first, let me finish making the bed and I'll show you. Okay, so here is what it looks like styled on the bed. Probably need a different blanket and accent pillows, but you can kind of get a sense. What I really like about it is that this blanket that's built into it is extremely soft and the sheets are soft. So I will keep you guys updated, but it's a cool concept and very, very exciting. I have her bassinet set up. This is when it gets real. This is where she's gonna be sleeping in just a couple days. And my good friend Desiree actually gave me this. It's the Halo Bassinet. I did not have this with Carter. Her girls have grown out of it, so she passed it along and I will donate it once I'm done as well. But thank you, Desiree. All right, I'm going to wrap up this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of the last minute prep I'm doing for baby. Please, please send me your good vibes for a smooth labor and delivery experience. I need it. I am trying for a natural birth again, despite what happened last time. I'm trying. I did have the option of doing a C-section, but I decided we're gonna try, hope for the best. When I am going into labor, I will probably story some of that experience. I don't know if I'm gonna be vlogging at all or not, just depends how I feel. However much pain I'm in. If I'm in a lot of pain like I was with Carter, probably won't happen. But regardless, within about a week or so of her being born, I will come on here with a labor and delivery story or vlog, and that is where I will introduce her to you guys and share her name. I'm sharing it first here on YouTube because you guys watching this, you're my people, so you are gonna know first. The thing that's crazy about having a baby is that the entire pregnancy experience, they're a stranger. Like, you don't know them, you don't know who's in here, and then the second they're born, you can't imagine your life or that you ever lived without them. That's how I feel about Carter, at least. So it's really exciting. You get to meet your little best friend for life. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking. I have lots of thoughts, lots of feelings right now. This is a very emotional time, but I will see you and talk to you guys very soon. Bye.